Guilty. 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 Guilty.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of One Fast Streetcar. I'm Jude, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notifications button below so that you can get the latest content when I do go ahead and publish it. I wanted to apologize to all of my subscribers that I have not posted in a couple of weeks, and that has been for mainly two reasons. First off, my work has been extremely busy. I have had to do a lot of travel over the last several weeks, and in between that I went on vacation to Disney for a week, so I did not spool up any videos or get any videos ready to kind of hit you know, post. I probably should have done that, but I didn't, so it has been a couple weeks. I do have another video that I'm going to work on tonight on the LED glow kit that I have on the twin turbo Mustang, so look out for that video. But this is a short video in response to a friend of mine, Stangmode, his video that he posted this morning. So I woke up, I'm on the elliptical, I'm doing my normal you know, YouTube watching of some of the folks that I follow, and of course Stangmode is one of them. And I look on there and it says something to the effect of you know, somebody's spying on my car. So I'm like, wow, this is interesting. Let me click on this. I wonder who would have done that. And I click on it, and there is my car on video. Happens to be in the same parking lot as Stangmode's car was in. I wish I would have known, Stangmode. I wish I would have known that your car was there that evening, because I probably would have done something to it. So you're probably it's probably good that you did not know, or that I didn't know, that your car was there, because I probably would have done something of a joke knowing that your car was sitting there. But it was kind of funny to wake up and see the whole spy thing with his car. I actually just stopped in that parking lot talking to a friend of mine for 5 minutes. If you notice, I didn't even get out of my car, but that was not on the post this morning either. But Stangmode, I just wanted to give you a quick shout out and let you know that I thought that was really funny. It was a good gag, and hey, when you start that kind of I'll call it drama, but when you start that kind of back and forth, it definitely makes for good content. Plus you know, I'm the kind of person that I like to have fun with things, and I definitely want to get back at Stangmode now for that one. So we'll really have to have fun, and I have to think about what I want to do now to try and retort. So again, this is just a really quick video. I thought it would be fun, and I will have that other video up tonight on the LED glow kit. In addition to that, we are getting new upgraded half shafts on the twin turbo Mustang. At the last YouTube call out, Maple Grove Raceway, everybody saw that I really couldn't launch that hard. I shouldn't say I couldn't launch that hard. I was really kind of scared to launch too hard at the track with the stock half shafts, being how much power that I'm putting out here. So I am going to upgrade those. Hopefully that'll give me a much better, I should say more confidence to launch a little harder at the track, not worry so much, because hey, at the end of the day, this is a street car. I drive to the track and I need to drive home. I don't trailer it and then where, well, if something breaks, I'll just, you know, just throw it up on the trailer and drive home. No, I drive to the track and I drive home. So for somebody like me that does that, I got to make sure that I feel pretty confident that things aren't going to break and I'm not going to need to get a tow home. So I just wanted to make this quick video. Please, again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video about the LED glow kit that I have on the interior and the exterior of my car, and I'll see you then. Thanks.